So since like maybe October, I've been talking to Chagan and Carly and telling them that I was gonna start running, and lo and behold, I never did. So this year I'm gonna try to run more, just to get my endurance up for Frisbee season, and also just to stay in shape because it's good for you. Yeah, new year, hopefully new me, but we'll see. It's like 6 o'clock right now, so I gotta go home, shower, then I have to go to work to get some things done before I go to Colorado to ski this weekend. For every trip I go to the airport, I always have to stop at HEB to get candy. Like, I don't know when it started, but candy aisle. Always got to get Nerd Clusters. Shout out Josh. The HEB credit card system or whatever was down, so I had to pay in cash. When I went to get gas, my card kept on declining, and I was confused as to why it was declining because I thought it was my card, but lo and behold, it was their system, so we're good. So I need to get gas later today before I go to the airport. You have to empty out your water in Austin Airport. Make your way down to the gates 2 and 4 by the Delta Club. Great water filling station. One of my teammates, Toast, told me about it, and it's good. The water bottle like fits perfectly in the little water dispenser. But now I need to go back to the other side of the airport because I want Taco Deli. So choices you have to make. That's good, G. You're stupid. That's me, yeah.
Oh, that's you? Okay, let's go.
What's up? What happened?
Dude,
fucking... So, I don't know where you're... So... Huh?
Did the police have to get involved?
No.
Oh.
But hold this real quick. So this dude is like next to me, and he's trying to fall asleep, whatever. And like half the plane ride, I'm just like trying to fall asleep, whatever. Then I wake up and I just start like having my sniffling attack, right? So I'm sniffling the whole time, like the rest of the second half of the flight. And then this dude, like, I guess, yeah, and I guess the dude, like, knew someone who was, like, on the other aisle, just, like, yells, like, yeah, I couldn't sleep because someone was sniffling the entire flight. And I was like, sorry, dude, like...
Did you say sorry?
Yeah, I was like, sorry, like, because I like, overheard him over my headphones, so it's just the music. I was like, sorry. And I was just like, dude, like, what the, like...
What did he say after that?
He was like, oh, nothing you can do about it. And I was just like, no one, like, that's like a kid behind you making so much noise, and you're like yelling to someone like, hey, this kid is really annoying behind me. It's like, no one does that, dude. Like, what? Wow. What are you doing?
That really got to me.
Yeah, dude, I was so upset. I was like, dude, like, really? Like, fucking put headphones in. Like, I don't know, do something. Like, no one else was bitching, or if they would wait till after and tell whoever they were talking about. Like,
there's a dude sitting behind us was like hella loud. He was yell talking. We sat in front of us. We had 2 babies.
Yeah.
And I didn't hear the babies. I didn't hear a peep out of them. Dude. Also, that dude took off his shoes and had his feet like right next to me, and they fucking smell.
Did you see that? Hey, it's the dogs. Dog gotta go. We'll let the dogs out, baby.
He's like, wow, I've never been on a plane with this much leg room.
Were you on the exit row or what?
Yeah.
Fuck. Yeah.
But he had the seat where there's no seat in front of him.
Oh.
So his feet were,
Oh, so he.
so I was in the seat where his feet were coming up into my space.
Yeah.
I smelled something and I was like,
Huh.
what is that? I was like, maybe somebody like pulled out some like smelly food.
Fuck.
And then I looked down and I see his toes wiggling.
No socks?
Oh,
Oh, I fucked up. Fuck. That is funny.
and then you walk downstairs.
Yeah, that's on me. What's good, King? I was gonna come in for a hug after. Damn, you're warm as fuck.
Oh, toasty.
He is warm.
JT. Hey, that's JT.
It's almost bedtime. So night.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on?